Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into.
Are you a freelance web designer who's struggling to find lucrative projects? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to help you find those high-paying freelance web design projects. Let's get started. First, make sure your portfolio is eye-catching and up-to-date. Showcase your best work and highlight your unique skills. Clients want to see what you're capable of, so don't be afraid to show off your talents. Next, tap into your network. Reach out to friends, family, and colleagues and let them know you're available for freelance web design projects. You never know who might have a connection or know someone in need of your skills. Now it's time to explore freelance job boards and websites. Look for platforms dedicated to web design projects, such as Freelancer or Upwork. Create an impressive profile and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. Don't forget the power of social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to showcase your portfolio and share your expertise. Engage with potential clients and stay active in web design communities. Lastly, consider joining local business networking groups or attending web design conferences. These events are great opportunities to connect with potential clients who value your skills and are willing to pay top dollar for your services. Remember, finding lucrative freelance web design projects takes time and effort. Stay patient and persistent, and soon enough, you'll be landing those high-paying gigs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you for watching.